Mr. Madan has provided lunch before the due time, so we are not hungry also and we are not sleepy also.
Sleepy, there is no shortage.
But I'll try that I'll not allow to sleep. Friends, person sitting on the dais, off the dais, I'm starting my betting where I left. Because I am a very strong supporter of use of technology in the professional life. And since 98, I am advocating this concept that future belongs to those professions who knows the information technology. And you are seeing today, you are not identified the success and failure of any person by knowledge but by using technology. Previously, in my school days or college days or training days, we were very impressed with the advocate who were providing various case laws, 10, 15 case law he was remembering and telling, and we were thinking that he is a very good advocate. Now the things have changed. Today, a junior who has recently qualified, but he knows how to operate the software and system or Google, and he can search and give you the case law. Search and give you the exact what you require. So the time has changed. So friends, today morning when minister was there was some question on XBRL, that why and how it will. I visited Russia and I had a very good impression about Russia, that Russia is a very successful country, but no doubt there is a separate part that their downfall and other thing. But one thing I realized is Russia is a country where it's a tourist unfriendly country. You go there and if you don't know Russian language, you cannot move anywhere. There was no software of the Apple where you can just click the photo and convert the language. And if you are asking somebody, he cannot tell you in English because he knows Russian. So without interpreter, we were not able to move in Russia, any city of Russia. Now, sometime we were opposing English. But today we are successful because of that point, and we are a part of the world economy. In my opinion, I am not up, because I am also from a Hindi medium student and Hindi is my mother tongue. But reality is something different. Today, without English, you cannot work in the court, you cannot work as a chartered accountant, you cannot work as a company secretary or in any way. So same thing with XBRL also. Worldwide, when we talk about the governance, when we talk about the system, then everybody is talking in one language. And time has come, no doubt, Anekta mein Ekta concept is Indian part, but certain things which is require a common language. In India, I'll give an example, share application money. Every chartered accountant shows share application money as per his understanding or as per the need of the company. Whether you want net worth, I can show you your net worth. Whether you want debt, I can show. Whether you want something in between, I can show. Yesterday I got one query. There is a company which has allotted the warrant, and the warrant have a life of 18 months. And there was a legal dispute going on. So the 18 months has expired and the legal matter is going on. Now they have to finalize the balance sheet. In the balance sheet, how to show this? This is a forfeited amount. This is a court case. And where should I show? So this is an interpretational issue and everybody is using it. And friends, when I told in the morning governance through XBRL, because as an investor, as a layman, if you are teaching me something, I can learn once, but I cannot learn so many things in different manner. So friends, my opinion is that XBRL is one area where we can compete with the world. India has opposed initially everything. Everything we have opposed. I am from the capital market. I know when the capital market, this system started, the outcry system shifted to online system in 93, every broker went on strike. My company also, where I was working, they were the highest turnover company. But what happened? My company was doing the entire business which the country was doing at that time, outcry system, they alone that broker was doing. Depository came. Everybody opposed that our system will work, how we will do. And now see the depository, how we have successful. MCA 21 came. Everybody was opposing. Today I was just thinking IFRS somebody was opposing. XBRL somebody was opposing. But friends, these things will not lose anything. It will give more business, more system and more uniformity. As a shareholder, I want to read the balance sheet. I am a layman. I cannot read balance sheet as per your understanding. Every time I have to understand, see this. And the XBRL, when Rajiv will show you the demonstration, you can see it's a very simple process. Just you understand the accounting standard, the accounting process and the taxonomy which they have given.